Bradenton today, and I'm looking at this fabulous home right behind me. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom.
Alright guys, let me walk you through this fabulous home. Once you walk through the entry door, to your left you have the dining room space, and to the right we have the office. The dining room and foyer itself come with tray ceilings and chrome molding inside. The office space, you actually have 2 French doors with glass inside, which I think is fantastic because you can close the doors to keep the noise out, but yet still get all the natural light from the family room coming into the room. And of course, once you walk through the entry door, the first thing you'll see is a fabulous living room with that 16-foot slider. You have the fireplace, you have shelving on both sides of the fireplace, so lots of storage. Double tray ceiling with chrome molding and recessed can lights and this fabulous chandelier. The breakfast nook is just right off the kitchen, and to the side of the breakfast nook we have the first 2 bedrooms, and each bedroom comes with its own ensuite bathroom. Alright, let's head over to the master bedroom. You have a double door entry that leads you into the master suite. Once you walk through, to the left we have the master bathroom that features 2 vanities. You have these amazing chandeliers, and the shower comes with 2 rain shower heads. Walking over to the master bedroom, we'll have 2 closets, one on the left side and one on the right side. Then in the master bedroom itself, we have a door that leads to the lanai. We have this really large windows and even mini windows above the main windows, which I find very unique. And a tray ceiling with a chrome molding inside. And of course, we can't forget about this fabulous chandelier.
Hi guys, I'm here with Teresa in her amazing home. Teresa, what I would like to ask you, what is your most favorite feature? I'm sure it's going to be tough to pick one because this home is so amazing.
Well, the kitchen is my favorite part of the home.
Yes, I see why.
And it's perfect for entertaining. I have an amazing amount of storage.
Yep.
And I have accumulated platter after platter after platter to entertain. And usually when I do so, it's all here, and then it leads out to the lanai, which is my fiance's favorite part of the house.
It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous.
You may have noticed that the screen doesn't have any obstruction looking onto the golf course. That's because it has a picture screen. And here we have a fireplace outside with a full bar, grill. Amazing for entertaining. Alright, let's check out the last part of the home. So upstairs we have this very spacious bonus room. As you can see, it comes with a sink, it has a mini fridge. So really this is great for entertainment, parties, whatever it is that you want to do up here. You have a storage closet, and we also have an additional bedroom and bathroom upstairs. And this, my dears, concludes the tour. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.